Afternoon and welcome again to another live trading session with me and 𝗕𝗓𝗡𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗠𝗓. Now, I hope all of you are keeping well, all right? And today is the 27th of April, just past 1:30 p.m. Now, guys, I have decided to make things a little bit more interesting this week, okay? So today is Monday, the 27th of April. Now, what if I told you guys that I'm going to challenge myself and you as well to see if you can start earning $100 in profit in increment every single day for the next 5 days. So that's Monday to Friday. And today's goal is simply to earn $100 in profit, all right? And tomorrow you're going to double it and so on and so forth until we hit $500 in profit on Friday. Now, the reason I did this is because to most of you guys out there, right, making even $10 or $20 seems impossible, okay? Much less $100 or even $500. I understand that because that's exactly where I started off 6 years back when I came into trading, all right? Hopefully, giving you the confidence and letting you watch over my shoulder as I show you that it can entirely be done gives you a bit of confidence to take the step to push yourself and hopefully learn and trade and make a significant portion of your income trading, all right? So that's the entire goal of today's video and over the next 5 days, guys. So let me know, at the comment section if you think it's a great idea. I'd also very much appreciate a subscribe and a like if you think this video has been helpful to you. And if you want to follow in the same exact steps I'm going to be doing, the first thing you want to do is just hit on that account sign up button, the link below, so you have access to the same trading platform, which is 𝗖𝗵𝗹𝗃, which I have been using for the past 6 years, and it's been great, guys. And you can basically follow exactly what I'm doing, okay? Now, if you're entirely new to binary options, they do have a bunch of instruments here, such as binary, digital option, forex, stocks, cryptocurrency if you want to trade, commodities, ETFs, a whole bunch of stuff, guys, all right? You can even trade on Zoom stock if you want to, yeah, if that's your thing. But anyway, I typically stick to binary options for the past, I think, about 2 to 3 years because, well, simply because it offers the greatest return, all right? So in a successful trade today, we stand to make 86% return. So if I put in $150, I stand to make $129 in profit again, all right? So the invested amount today is going to be just $150, okay, guys? The technical indicators that you see here, all accessible via the indicators popular section. Just hit on all of this stuff. I'll tell you what I use here. I've got a Bollinger Band, so you can select it from the same section I just showed you. The awesome oscillator, momentum, MACD. That's it, guys. I don't stick to anything more fancy than this. It's worked great for me, and this is all you really need to do. The idea of binary option trade, to those of you who are entirely new, is just to select this button or this button. That's it. Two buttons, and you just got to choose one. You got to make a decision before you hit the white line, okay, which is the purchase deadline. And if you select higher, for instance, okay, in this case, I might do this trade right this second. So I've put in $150, okay, guys? And I expect the trade to end up being higher by the time it hits the red line, okay? And you can see that it's slightly ticking up already. Now, the entire goal, because I hit higher, is, as I said, as long as the chart ends up being higher than the green line, I am in the money. I stand to make this $129, guys. The thing seems to be going pretty much my way. I'm fairly confident it's going to end up being positive on this one, okay? And there you go. That's $129, guys, in the bank. I put in $150. I have made $129. That's today's goal in the pocket, all right? So $100 was the goal of today's trade. I have just showed you. I did that in a couple of minutes, okay? So what I want to tell you guys is this. This is not impossible. The more you continue to believe that, this is not attainable, you can't do this, I can assure you no one in the world can convince you otherwise. So I'm not even going to bother trying, okay? But the entire reason, I've started this channel, I've started recording some of my live trades, is to show you guys that it's doable, okay? So all you got to do is just keep an open mind and believe that you can. But here's the thing, I'm not going to tell you that it's easy, all right? I'm someone who's very, very upfront. I'm quite transparent in what I say and what I do. And it's not easy, okay? When I started 6 years back into trading, I had $500 in like, my savings for, I think for the 2 years I was in my 20s. I think I was about 22 when I first started trading, and I lost that $500, okay, in like 3 trades, I reckon, or 2 or 3 days, and that was it. So this is what I did. I said, this is BS, all right? This is not going to work. This is all rubbish. Trading is not going to work for me, and I'm never going to be able to make money out of it. So I swore off trading, all right? I basically just let my trading account idle. I wasn't even using this platform, guys. I was using something else. And that's it. I forgot all about it. But a couple of months later, I realized that the only way I'm going to learn and I'm going to actually make my $500, because it was a lot of money for me, guys, is if I put in the effort and took the time to learn, okay? So I started on a journey that has, taken me 6 years, thousands of dollars, and invested in knowledge, in gaining knowledge, making losses, making mistakes, and stuff. It's been a hell of a ride. Okay, it's been a roller coaster of a ride. But today I can confidently sit here at home, in spite of everything else that's going around the world. All right, the coronavirus, the COVID, and stuff. People losing jobs, people losing income. And still make a significant portion of my income, my monthly income, by trading. And I just showed you that it's doable, okay? So to recap, today's goal was just to earn $100. I just showed you that I did that. I earned $129 by investing $150 because it gave me an ROI of 86% of my return on investment. Now, a bit about technical indicators. If you look at this and you're wondering, hey, you know what, this is not going to work for me because I have no idea what's going on. Well, listen, like I said, it's not easy, but all you got to do is just go to Google, all right? Just read up a little bit. Now, as I said, technical indicators that I use are really, really simple. So you've got the Bollinger Bands, which is the lines that form the top and the bottom part of this chart here. This just kind of gives you the range, guys, all right, the range of movement, so to speak. So if it falls beyond or outside, it's considered, something unusual. And that's kind of, one of the things that I look for, because if it falls in that kind of region, right, like for instance, if you see here the drop, do you notice that it kind of like tapped just outside the yellow line? So I knew that this is something a little bit off, okay? What that tells me then is I use time, because I know that in 30 seconds things are very likely going to be different. Okay, this trend could continue. That is a possibility. But typically, looking at the chart and how it's been swinging around, I know that it's not. So the moment this downtick happened and I noticed that it came out beyond this line here, I selected higher because I expected the chart to strengthen, and true enough, it did. Which is why I earned $129 today, guys. Okay, so these are the kind of trends that I notice and I make decisions on, which you would eventually learn and start to do as well. So again, just the technical indicators that I have here is just the Bollinger Band, very, very basic. Just Google it. Awesome oscillator. This is just one to tell you about trends. Okay, just another one of those. Momentum, again, gives you an idea about trends. MACD, again, trends. So what you notice is that all of this combine with the chart and movement of the chart to give me an idea of trend, which is what I look for. So that's really all there is, guys. I mean, if I were to tell you, what is the single most important skill that I have learned over all these years, I would say is the ability to trade profitably and confidently the way I do right now. And you can too. So all you really got to do is just sign up for an account, put in a bit of effort, and you can start trading from as low as $10, guys. Just $10 US. And you can work your way up slowly after that, $50, $100 and stuff. So to recap, $100 achieved. That's the trade goal for the day. I am going to call this video a day, and I'll come back hopefully tomorrow and show you how we can earn $200. Okay. So if you're interested to watch that, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I will show you tomorrow how we earn $200 a day in profit. Now, in the meantime, stay safe, guys, and happy trading.